Have you ever wondered if the software you're about to install or that new device that just arrived is really what it claims to be? In the digital world, blind trust can be your worst enemy. Today, we're going to reveal a crucial secret to keeping your digital fortress intact. Get ready to level up your cybersecurity. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept that is often overlooked but is the first line of defense against many threats. We're talking about evaluating the authenticity and integrity of hardware and software before they even touch your systems. This isn't just an idea in the air. It's a specific control within the prestigious NIST Cybersecurity Framework. Specifically, it is part of the Identify function within the Risk Assessment category. Think of it as double-checking before opening the door to a stranger. The detailed control point ID RA09 of the NIST framework states it clearly. The authenticity and integrity of hardware and software are evaluated before acquisition and use. And its subcontrol ID RA09 tells us that we must evaluate the authenticity and cybersecurity of critical technology products and services before acquisition and use. This is pure gold. But it doesn't end there. The NIST framework, in its governance, GV function within the Cybersecurity Supply Chain Risk Management, GVSC, also emphasizes the importance of due diligence before working with suppliers. Control Point GVSC 06 on planning and due diligence urges us to evaluate the authenticity, integrity, and security of critical products before acquisition and use, as part of a thorough review of our future technology partners. We don't want unpleasant surprises. Now, let's shift gears a bit and see how other reference frameworks address this. Although not mentioned with the exact same words, the Acquire and Implement domain of COBIT 4.0 also touches on these crucial points when discussing the acquisition of IT solutions. Check this out. AI1 Identify Automated Solutions asks us to define requirements that cover integrity, security, and reliability, and analyze risks to data integrity. AI to acquire and maintain application software involves translating business requirements into design specifications that consider security and integrity, and ensuring that business controls are reflected in application controls. AI5 Acquire IT Resources emphasizes the need to define acquisition procedures and supplier selection, and that contractual agreements include aspects of security and integrity. Do you see how different frameworks, each with their own approaches, converge on the importance of verifying authenticity and integrity before incorporating technology into our ecosystem? And this is where you come into play. Do you want to keep discovering the secrets to building an impregnable digital fortress? Then subscribe right now. Don't miss the upcoming videos where we'll delve into how to carry out these evaluations. Your journey in cybersecurity is just beginning. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, prevention is the best offense. Evaluating authenticity and integrity is not just a good practice, it's a necessity. See you in the next video, Cyber Warriors. Stay safe.